Renovation work continues at the rental apartments. We're renovating 2 apartments from start to finish. For those of you that have not been following the series, these apartments are almost 10 years old. So time to do some serious work, but in the process, I found out that one of the tenants completely trashed the apartment. So far, we have already overshot our budget, but what can one do? Don't chop finish. And what we won't come out and now? Nothing there again, no? Okay, let's start here. The hardest part of this kind of work is finding the right contractors. I brought one to give me a quote on the kitchen cabinets, but he did not hear him. Let me see your work first. Show me on your phone.
My work plenty.
Show me kitchen cabinet, kitchen cabinet. I want to see how you set your sink and all that.
You know where I do service, you don't work plenty.
Show me. I want to see your sink because that's the issue I have with this man that did this one.
I'm not sure say I have kitchen this thing here, kitchen cupboard here, but no anything about kitchen cupboard I know.
No. Because I specifically asked for kitchen cabinets.
I don't get kitchen cabinet.
He did not come with a single image of his previous work. My kitchen cabinet guy, John, some of you know him. And by the way, John completely rebuilt my kitchen. Here's Kazim applying silicone gum for the sink. See Kazim doing that night duty. See, it's dark outside and he's still working. The way the man they chase money. You know go laugh again before he hand shake for this silicone when they apply. So John had a serious accident. It's so bad that he can't take on the job for rebuilding the kitchen cabinets in the rental apartments. In fact, he's been off work for a while now. As I speak to you now, he's still recovering. So I asked on Instagram and some people were kind to recommend workers for me. I called this guy and specifically asked him if he does kitchen cabinets. He said a big yes. Then came all the way here without a single photo of his previous work. This was the story for several others. Nigerian artisans are the most unserious people I have ever seen. The level of unseriousness is baffling.
Because if I touch her like this, you go to stain all this thing. So, where's my answer? Don't touch her.
Okay, wait. We go leave am like this. You no go even clean am.
No, you no go clean am.
Eh?
If I clean her now, you go stain all this thing.
Okay.
So if I want, I go use blade.
Cut am.
Ah.
Prior to now, I thought that the turkey doors are completely made with metal, but look at what the rain has done to these ones. They used a combo of metal and some other material that feels like paperboard to make this one. But when new, you won't even know it's not metal. We checked the cost of new turkey doors and ran away. So these ones will be refurbished by a welder. They just came to take them away. I feel like saying that since yesterday, no? How? You know, say for ourselves, you know they don't wait till they happen again. Remember those black toilets that, I don't know the last time the tenants that recently vacated from this apartment washed them? Today, we'll try to first of all clean them with Harpic. If the stain does not go, then we will have to change the toilets. Bring the plastic here, make the thing no stain on. Be careful with this thing. This thing is poison, make it don't touch you, right? Give this one. Oh. Oh, I'm right round here. Inside, not outside. Okay. I don't do for now. cover am. You go bring sign, bring carton, write something. Do not open, do not flush. Okay. Put them here so that nobody will flush them. Open this one. Let's see how it is. This one is not bad, so leave it. You don't need. And this one. One small. Let's see if this part will go. Don't do. Come on. Eh? How can you do that kind of work for me? You know, you think say as I dey talk outside, I dey play. You cannot do this. You cannot do this kind of work for me. You came and put screening on top of paint. It's not done.
This one is test coat now. This one will be paint.
Even if it's test coat, it's paint. The two materials cannot match. You have to put screening on top of cement, not on top of paint. Any kind of paint, even if it's test coat. I don't have energy to talk. Oh. If you don't know the job, don't waste material for me. That's the worst. I have somebody that does this kind of thing for us, but he said that Oga will bring somebody. But I don't like this. Please scrape it. Oh God, that's the worst part. Wasting these expensive materials. Yeah? You didn't scrape anything. What the hell? Hey. He finally got the job done correctly. Oh my God. Shouting. That is it. That's where most of my strength goes to, man. There used to be a door here. A decision was made to take the door out here. Took out all the wooden doors and replaced them with China doors. Oga Painter, say hello to your fans now. Say hello to your fans. Oga, say hello to your fans. Say hello to your fans.
Hello to my people.
You people see how Oga Painter he's looking distinguished now. Even though he allows some of you to be intimidating him, somebody intimidated Oga Painter, carried him to the shrine. Which shrine did you say that they took you to?
As well as
Ajohia. Ajohia, you were and you went.
I went because I didn't have anything in mind. I only just want to do the right thing.
So my people, if you people will be taking my if you people will be taking my artisans that I recommended to you for free to shrine, I'll remove their numbers from here. Then you people have to go through me and swear oaths before I release their number. What kind of nonsense is that? That you will take somebody, a worker, to a shrine. For what? And you say that you live abroad. You know yourself, you must be watching this video. And on top of that, he intimidated Oga Painter into paying him more money. He was owing Oga Painter money. But at the end of the day, he was... Okay, did you hear that? How much?
550,000.
This person is owing Oga Painter 550,000. How much is 550,000 naira in dollars? How much is it? That you cannot pay your worker. Yet you intimidated him into paying back money to you. How much did you pay him?
391,000.
391,000. Because you think you can intimidate him into paying you money. No, I don't even want to talk about. You told me that even the native doctor extorted some money from him. What did he call that money?
That was settling the 25,000. Before I will explain.
You're the one I blamed. You're the one I blamed. Using your 2 left legs to go to that shrine. I blame you for going there. Why didn't you report to me? Let me go and hear where somebody that is owing you, you will be the one that will turn around and pay him money. Update. Progress. We have progress. All the doors have been installed. You need to do tiling here. Installed. Let me show you that black toilet. Only Harpic. What's in the happen? Only with Harpic. That's what we used to. Open sesame. I don't want to touch that. You see? Only with Harpic. Look at how clean. See the toilet that they left black? Just Harpic. And it's like new again. Yes. Simple washing of toilet, they cannot wash. Look at it, just Harpic. And it's very new. Very good job they did. See the other one? Look at. You would think that we bought a new toilet. But no, we did not. Just Harpic. Is this an advert for Harpic? I don't know. Okay. We still need to do tiling work. The tiler has run away. He didn't come today. Nigerians. Oh my God. Nigerian artisans. The truth is that I've been managing that tiler. He did not have all the proper tools. He's lazy, always looking for shortcuts, and above all, he's not even skilled in the job. Look at these tiles. Even I, that is not a tiler, know that these tiles are not properly aligned. So thankfully, our POP guy, John, recommended a Togo tiler. In fact, one of the tilers that was involved in tiling this house when it was first built. I'm happy that Abraham came to save the day. I didn't even know he was still in Nigeria. Tiles were wasted due to the other guy's shoddy work, but yeah, I'm happy.